tax returns under UAE corporate tax law. Manish Mehta, Bachelor of Laws, CACSIRP. Let's discuss on the topics. Filed by the taxable person. Filed within stipulated period. JP. What is taxable person? Taxable person, resident, juridical person, resident, natural persons, non-resident persons have a permanent establishment in the state. Non-resident person derives state-sourced income. When is the tax return under the UAE corporate tax law to be filed? Return to be filed within 9 months from the date of the end of the relevant tax period. Tax return of a tax group. The tax return for a tax group is to be filed by the parent company. Tax return for a tax group filed by parent company. Tax group. A tax group is when two or more taxable persons are treated as a single taxable person. Parent company. The parent company, sometimes called a holding company, is a corporation that has subsidiaries, which are wholly or partially owned separate businesses controlled by the parent. A resident person is said to be tax group if all the following conditions are met. The resident person are juridical persons. The parent company and the subsidiary have the same financial year. The parent company owns at least 95% of the voting rights in the subsidiary. The parent company owns at least 95% of the subsidiary's profits and net assets. Neither the parent company nor the subsidiary is a qualifying free zone person. The parent company owns at least 95% of the share capital of the subsidiary. Both companies prepare their financial statements using the same accounting standards. Neither the parent company nor the subsidiary is an exempt person. Hey Rahul, are UAE branches of a UAE juridical person required to separately register or file for UAE-CT? UAE branches of a UAE juridical person are not required to separately register or file for UAE-CT. ABC Limited, having 100,000 equity shares of UAE 10 each, has its paid-up share capital. XYZ Limited holds 97,000 equity shares of UAE 10 each of ABC Limited. Will ABC Limited and XYZ Limited considered as a tax group? Yes. ABC Limited and XYZ Limited will be considered as tax group as XYZ Limited holds 97,000 equity share of ABC Limited, which is more than 95% of the total paid-up share capital of the ABC Limited. Hence both ABC Limited and XYZ Limited will be considered a single tax group. Information to be provided by the taxpayers in the tax return filed. The tax return shall include the following information of the tax JPG. Exception 2 Form and manner of filing tax return in the cases of national security or public interest. The Federal Tax Authority prescribes the form and manner in which the tax return is to be filed. However, in certain cases the disclosure of a tax return may cause an impediment to the national security or public interest of the state. Specified entities to submit declaration with tax return. Further, the following taxable persons may be required to submit a declaration along with the tax return on request from the authority. How will CT returns to be filed and what supporting documents are expected to be provided? It is expected that CT returns will be filed electronically via an online portal similar to the VAT and ESR filings. At this stage, no information has been provided regarding the supporting documents to be filed. Based on the practices in other jurisdictions, the following documents may be required. financial statements, taxable income calculation showing adjustments made to the accounting net profit tax depreciation schedules and transfer pricing documentation, details of related party transactions, movement of provisions. Thank you. Visit me at www.mjauditing.com, www.munishmedia.in.